everyone, it is Crush the Developer back with another awesome tutorial for y'all. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a sliding door in ROBLOX Studio. Yes, you heard the title. This requires not one single line of code. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to go ahead and add a part. This is going to be our door, and I'll just resize it to be enough. Alright, I think that is good. Alright, now I'm just going to make it thin, and there. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and just change this. I'm going to change this to a bit of brown, and I'm going to make a wood. There. I think it's going to be a bit brighter. That looks much better. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add another part right here. This is going to be our wall. We're going to need two of these. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and resize this. I think that is good. Now I'm just going to go ahead and just go over here and just move this right here, so then I can go ahead and add this wall over here. This is a placeholder part. I'm not going to keep this. This is temporary. So I'm just going to move this right here, and I'm going to go ahead and remove this. There. Now we've done most of the part. I'll just call this wall, and I'll call this one wall. There. Now what we need to do is we need to add attachments to both of these walls and the door. So we're going to add an attachment. So this is the attachment. I will call this wall attachment left. Alright, there. So this right here is our attachment. If you see this green dot, that is our attachment. We can use the regular controls we use to move parts to move our attachment. So I'm just going to move this all the way down right here. And you're going to want to make sure it's like all the way over here. And you want to make sure this yellow arrow right here is pointing towards the door. And I'm just going to put it right here. I think that's good. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for this wall. I'll add an attachment there. And you see we have our attachment right here. And we're going to go ahead and face it towards the wall. The door, I meant, not wall, the door. Alright, so there you go. I think that's good. And now the last thing I need to do, I'm just going to go ahead and change this from wall attachment to wall attachment right. And then I'm going to go ahead and add an attachment to the door. This is going to be called door attachment. Alright, so this door attachment is going to go all the way over here, and that's it. So we are almost done with this sliding door effect. We need to add in two more things to make our sliding door work. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the door right here. We're going to add something called a prismatic constraint. So there are other constraints inside ROBLOX Studio, such as weld constraints, all these other constraints. But this prismatic constraint is a core component for our sliding door mechanism. So we're going to use this. So we're going to have this prismatic constraint right here. What we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and add an attachment right here. This attachment is going to be attached to this door attachment, and then this prismatic constraint, we're going to set attachment 1, 2, and I just realized we don't need this attachment right here, so we can just remove this. Alright, now we are almost done. All we need to do is add a drag detector to this door. So we're going to click on door, add a drag detector, and bam, we're done. So let's go ahead and test it. Alright, so we're in the game right here. We should be able to drag and just see our door, and what the heck? Okay, as you saw previously, our sliding door did not work as expected. So all we need to do is just anchor these walls. So we'll just go ahead and click anchor, and there you go. Now let's go ahead and test the game. So we should be good to go. Alright, let's go ahead and drag this door. Alright, so maybe a bit hard. I'm going to go ahead and drag it. Alright, and there you go. We have our sliding door system. So we have a sliding door mechanism. As you can see, we can drag it, so we can enter here, and we can literally just easily drag it right here. So this is our sliding door mechanism. Alright guys, so that is the tutorial on how to make a sliding door in ROBLOX Studio. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped for you. And I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to make a sliding door with code. So basically you're going to press E, Q, whatever to open this door. And it's going to be written with code. So if you guys want to see that, make sure to stay tuned by subscribing to the channel with post notifications on.